Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching TheTechStream. In this video, I am going to review yet another Android 12.1 custom ROM, which is Pixel Experience for the OnePlus 8T. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I've installed Pixel Experience on my OnePlus 8T, and if we go into the about info section, you can see that the Android version is 12 and the Pixel Experience build is 29th May 2022. The Android security patch that you get with this ROM is 5th July 2022. Now I'll just show you what all this ROM provides and what all you can expect. Also in this video I'm going to show you how to install the ROM, because I've already made a video on how to install any Android 12 custom ROM on the OnePlus 8 series devices and OnePlus 9R. You can find the link to that video in the description below. So this ROM is an Oxygen OS 11 based ROM, so that means you'll have to install Oxygen OS 11 first, then only you'll be able to install this. Coming to the ROM, it looks fast and responsive. You can see that there is no bloatware and you get only few apps to start with. All the basic functionality is working fine without any lags or problems. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, calling and everything just works flawlessly. The fingerprint unlock and face unlock work just fine, but you don't get to see the app lock options here on this ROM. The launcher again is the Pixel launcher as you get in Pixel devices. Pixel Experience is actually known for being close to the Pixel devices, and this is why you don't have much difference. Moving on, as I've already showed you that this is an Android 12.1 build, so you get all the latest and greatest Android 12 features. Each of the features just works smoothly without any hiccups as it should. Coming to the safety net, the ROM passes safety net test out of the box and you will be able to use the payment app just fine. The wideband security level is also L1 and you can stream HD content on Netflix and other streaming sites. Moving on, the ROM doesn't come with Oxygen OS Cam and Gallery app like another Android 12 ROMs. Again, Pixel Experience, everything stock like Pixel, so you just get the basic AOSP camera and you'll need to install a decent Gcam. If you want to install a good Gcam on your 8T, here's a card to that video. Talking about gaming, the ROM does have a game space or gaming mode, and as you can see in BGMI settings, you have the option to select 90 FPS and you can play 90 FPS here. Now gaming performance is also much better than Oxygen OS 12. Comment down if you want to see an actual gaming review for this ROM. Now let's talk about the customization options that are available. You don't get any. Yes, you heard it right. Pixel Experience is as close as to stock Pixel devices as it can get. So there are no extra customization features. Though if you install the Plus edition of this ROM, then you'll get those customization features, but there is no Plus edition available for this build, so you'll have to stick with it. So should you install this ROM? I'll suggest not as of now. I mean, you can install this ROM if you want to have your device as close to as Pixel, but the only thing that's stopping me to recommend this is the lack of Oxygen OS camera, and if you are someone who can do without a Gcam, then you can install this ROM or enjoy Pixel-like experience. If you want to know how to install this ROM on OnePlus 8T, here's a card to that video. Also, I'll be making a lot of ROM reviews and I'll be trying another Android 12 ROMs. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos. Thank you for watching.